Hi, my name is Mark Smith. I'm the Industrial Maintenance Technology Instructor and Program Coordinator here at Ashland Community and Technical College. I love industrial maintenance. I love the field. It's a very rewarding career. You can make a great living in this field. We have an Associate of Applied Science and a bunch of different certificates. What can you do with it in the real world? Well, every plant and every factory has to have maintenance technicians, and if not for us guys, industry would grind to a halt. If you're the type of person that likes to work on things and tinker with things, that this might be a good career choice for you. We work with mechanical systems and electrical systems and fluid power, which is pneumatics and hydraulics, and even some robotics. So every factory, every plant has to have maintenance personnel. There will always be a need for the industrial maintenance technician.